Got her toes done up with her fingernails matching. Got her toes done up with her fingernails matching. Got her toes done up with her fingernails matching. Toes done up with her fingernails matching.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just going to jump right into this like the title says. You're going to need your press-ons. These are by Kiss. These are just the regular French tips. These are not the ones in the thumbnail, but literally it's the same brand, so I hope you guys appreciate this. You're going to need a 100 grit file. You're going to need a nail clipper, a cuticle pusher. I like metal ones better. You're going to need nail glue. This is just regular Kiss nail glue, something that dries fast. And this is key. You're going to need nail primer. It doesn't matter which one. The Kiss came in the kit. The No Lift came from Sally's. And then you're going to need nail dehydrator, and you can also substitute this with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. And you're going to need cuticle oil as well as a nail brush. This important step, you guys, is to push back your cuticle. This is going to make the press-on look more realistic. It's going to make it look more like actual acrylic, just because, you know, the skin won't be pushing over the fake nail. It's important to clean up your cuticles also, because it can make your nail look shorter than what it actually is. Please excuse my dirty nails. I was scratching my eczema, and this is the time that I take to actually clean my nails. So I hope you guys appreciate that and don't drag me in the comments. But yeah, just push back your cuticle. Next step is going to be, this is actually optional, but cutting down your natural nails. My nails are very weak from the gel polish that I had on previously, just because I hate soaking things off. That's my personal problem. It made my nails super weak, so I like to just cut off the free edge so I don't snag my nails on anything. If you like to keep your nails long, you can skip this step as long as it's not longer than the actual press-on. This is super important and key to the press-on not popping off. You have to file off all the shine on your real nails. If you don't, your press-on will pop off. This is a major key. Make sure you get down at that cuticle area where you push down your cuticles at. Make sure you get the side. Make sure you get all that shine off of your nail. Your nail needs to look dusty. Thank you. I also just wanted to add in really quickly, you don't have to file hard. Like, I have the 100 grit file, but one side is 100 and the other side is like 180, which is finer. I filed my nails with the finer side just because my nails were weak. If your nails are stronger, feel free to use the stronger grit, which is more rough side. But yeah, please be gentle because your nails are fragile, especially if you just took off acrylic nails or gel. Please be gentle with this step. Here I'm just messing around with the tips, just playing around with the tip sizes. Each tip has a number, and the number basically stands for the size of your nail. I have very small nails, so some of my nail numbers were the same. So pay attention to those numbers because it makes everything easier when finding the right nail to fit your finger. Yeah, all the tips that I need. Next, you're going to go in with your nail dehydrator. Like I said, you can substitute this for alcohol or acetone. Put that all over your nail. This is going to get the remaining oil off of your nails. Oil is the negative when it comes to press-ons. That's what makes them pop off so fast, so quickly. You have natural oils on your nails that can't be there when you get acrylic. This is the major key. This is the hack. Nail primer. Nail primer not only gets rid of oil on your nails, it also helps adhere acrylic to the nail, but I feel like I have a theory. I feel like it also helps adhere the glue to your nail as well, because I noticed when it comes to soaking off acrylic nails, it is kind of hard to get the tip off as well. So I feel like this is effective when it comes to nail glue. I could be wrong, you know. You can drag me if you want to, but this hack definitely works. Now it's time to actually glue on the press-ons, you guys. You can use any glue of your choice. I like using glue that dries pretty fast. You're literally just gonna pull off that tab, add the glue to the nail, mainly the bottom part, and you're gonna apply it to the nail. When you apply it to the nail, you guys, start from the cuticle and then add pressure all the way up. Make sure all the air bubbles, I repeat, make sure all the air bubbles are gone. If you get at least one big air bubble, it's going to pop off. It may last for like 2 days, but it's going to pop off eventually. When you have no air bubbles, it makes the nail look better, it makes it look more natural, and it lasts longer. Please practice, practice, practice. Make sure there's no air bubbles. This is how we're looking once it is dry. As you can see, it looks bomb, but we do have a couple more steps. So yeah, let's get into it. We have all the nails glued on, as you can see, but I am going to take a couple more steps to make them look a little bit more natural to my liking. First off, the shape. I hate the shape. I have to have either a square or a coffin, no other shape. Anybody else feel me? So I'm just going to file the nails down to a nice sharp square shape. This will also make them appear thicker just because you're filing down the material. And I'm also going to go around the sides and shave off that, that glue that kind of seeped out on the sides as well. I promise you we're almost done. This is the last step. This is actually optional. I'm going to take a gel top coat just to make the nail look thicker, feel stronger, and make it more shiny. This is totally optional. If you want to make it more shiny, you can definitely use a regular nail polish top coat, but I just like being extra. So I'm going to literally paint a thin layer and then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. This is the IBD no wipe top coat. It is bomb. All you do is cure it and it doesn't have that sticky layer. That's why I really like it a lot. But yeah, I'm just going to cure it for 30 seconds. Phew, last step, I promise. We're going to add cuticle oil. The cuticle oil is essential because we've been filing on our nails, so they look pretty dry on the cuticles. This is also going to give you that salon polish look. Look at that, you guys. Bomb. You can't tell me I'm going back to the salon. No, this is a full set. $5, baby. $5. I'm never going back. And they last, you guys. They last through these steps. Let me know how it works for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.